How many times have you ever made your car look fantastic? It's been detailed, it just looks perfect, only to come out a couple of days later and see the paint starting to fade a little bit, scratches starting to show back up, maybe even dust and dirt and debris starting to sit on it. That's one of the reasons that we at Easyton Auto Spa have become Gtechniq Accredited in order to install ceramic coating on vehicles for our customers. So if you're a car person, you may have heard of a process called ceramic coating on a vehicle. Today we'll talk a little bit about that. This is a bottle of Crystal Serum Light by Gtechniq. And what we'll do is we'll actually clean and disinfect all the surface area on the exterior of a vehicle, and then we'll go back and we'll apply this to the car. Once this is applied, it'll dry and it'll harden, and it'll actually act as a protectant against dirt, debris, any other kind of road grime, even paint, bird droppings, anything else that comes on the car that might try to harm your paint. Once this is applied, it makes your car look better, it's gonna shine longer, it's gonna be easier for you to clean, it's gonna be more scratch resistant, and you're gonna be proud of your vehicle. When we get the vehicle in, what we'll do is a full paint correction and decontamination. This is a process by which we remove any imperfections in the paint, be it scratches or sediment that's built up on the paint, and then we'll actually go in and correct any micro scratches that are caused by car washes or improper buffing or polishing in the past. Once we get your car looking absolutely flawless, we'll then apply a ceramic coating package of your choice. We have several different packages that can range anywhere from 2 years to 9 years of protection. Ceramic coating cannot just be applied to the paint of your vehicle. We can apply this to your wheels, to your glass, to your interior leathers and plastics, and even your carpet. This helps to make all these surfaces of your vehicle not only protected, it's gonna make them more stain resistant, it's gonna make them last longer, shine more, and make them easier for you to clean in the future. Ceramic coating is a fantastic option if you're someone who not only likes to have a vehicle that looks good, but you want to protect that investment as well. If you're curious about what ceramic coating could do to your vehicle, come on by one of our shops, let us take a look at it, and we'll be happy to give you a quote. Thanks for watching.